guess. These are the two dogs. Okay, one is this is the dog of Natalia, and this is the dog of Lobo. Natalia's dog costs 85 ruble and 60 ruble. Squeezer is Squeezer is 85. That is one. I don't have the book in the book. See. I think 100 something is there.
125. 125.
That is 125. Now this is the story. Okay, this will give you the rough idea. This is the story, as the name itself suggests. This is the story of a boy wanting to marry a girl. Her name is Natalia. The name of the boy is Shlomo. And the father of Natalia is Subuko. Okay. Natalia has a dog also. The name of the dog is Squeezer, which she purchased at 85 ruble. Ruble is the currency of Russia. And the name itself suggests this is entire being woven against the background of Russia, USSR that we call. So this particular story by Anton Chekhov is focusing on the superiority complexes of Middle Ages. Middle Ages, we had a feudal system. Feudal system, by feudal system we understand the system of landlord system in our country. Okay, zamindari system that we call. And in zamindari system, if anybody belonging to zamindar family, forget about zamindars themselves, anybody belonging, even today you see, if some of you are belonging to a family that happen to be a landlord in the past, some of your ancestors happen to be the landlords in the past, you can still boast of the fact, B-O-A-S-T, boast means praising oneself is boasting, apna praise khud se karna, okay, and you are somewhere loaded with that superiority. बातचीत के दौरान कह देते हम लोग यार हम लोग भी जमींदार खानदान का है. Maybe presently you may not be owning a few acres of land, but you take pride in the fact that once one of your ancestors happened to be zamindars at one point of time. Now this is what we talk about, the vanity, that is arrogant. We talk about ego, okay, and we talk about feeling of superiority complexes. If we all are feeling superior, we at any point of time during on any topic is not going to compromise that we are less than XYZ. That is also being reflected, the false vanity and ego, the pride of the landlords or that family who is not missing any chance of letting others down in the presence of each other. If you are getting the chance, you will be trying to put me down by virtue of your speeches, by virtue of your conduct, by virtue of your anything for that matter, for example, the resources, the richness, anything. Now, another one, this is in this story, the proposal, Mr. Chekhov had in a very funny way, in a very satirical way, that is satire is means what? Satire is a sort of mocking or fun, but carrying certain message. That is satire. Okay. So he very interestingly, he tried to make the story very interesting. This person, Lomo, has one disease called the disease of nervousness, hypertension, pulsating disease. Okay. Whenever he comes in any situation that is either very exciting or very challenging. Exciting is a positive word in the positive sense here, and challenging is a difficult situation. And these are the the level-headed persons take these things as a challenge, because we know these things are the part and parcel of our life. One day we may come across a very good and a favorable day for us. Another day may be just a bad day. So a level-headed, determined person think that these are all the part and parcel of life. We should not be, or we are not going to be overexcited when the things are going good for us. Because in case of overexcitement, it somewhere breeds that proud. Taking proud in yourself is good. Feeling confident in yourself is very good. But then, blinded with this confidence and pride and richness and resources and whatever, if germinating the seed of vanity and arrogance in your mind, that is disastrous. Then what you do, you start behaving in a very high-handed fashion, and you will be always thinking that everybody else is lower in your standard or lower in the status and reputation than yours, which is all false. Okay. So this person was not, Mr. Lomo was not so matured enough, you may say, in order to handle the situation. Now coming back on the fun side, because this entire story is being somewhere presented in a funny way, and also giving the message of how for the false pride the people used to fight against each other. One more thing has been coming. One is a virtue and one other is another one also that I have missed here, that I will be seeing later. The story starts. Both of them were neighbors, Mr. Lomo and Mr. Chubuko. Okay, both of them happened to be coming from a family of richness. Their family background was also very rich. They were landlords in the past, and presently also they are rich people. Now this Lomo was, from the rich viewpoint, can be considered as the most able bachelor, because Chubuko was the father of a girl, and in the middle age, with this mindset, this is the another satire, the father of a girl is always on the receiving end. It was being considered, as we are telling with pride today, that girl as well as boys are equal, and to some extent the girls in many fields are better than boys. We take pride in the girl also, we take pride being the father of the daughters also, as we have been taking pride, because it is all about the nurturing, it is all about giving opportunity and then expecting to show the skill. In the Middle Ages, what happened? We had studied in our history chapters also. In the Middle Age, we were neither giving the opportunity, but we were expecting the result. So, if not giving the opportunity and then expecting the result, and then finally jumping onto the conclusion that these girls are below par and is a burden on father and etc., that is also absolutely a bad measurement in order to set a yardstick for somebody. Today, absolutely this sort of a thing, if comes into the mind, though why I am emphasizing it's coming in the mind, that theoretically these things are being said, but girls are still being viewed as an extra added responsibility, if not burden today. Okay, we cannot deny from the fact that they are being taken very equally in the society as equal to that of the boys. And it is quite natural also. If in a society which happened to be for centuries a male dominant society, okay, it would be very, very difficult to attain the position of levelness or equal level, and which is reflected, you would have studied in your SST book also, gender, religion and caste is there, a chapter in political science if I am not mistaken. There the literacy rate, because we consider the education as the most important aspect of human development, and literacy rate, overall literacy rate of India is around 74-75%, data taken in 2011, next will be taken in 2021. Every after 10 years the census is being taken. But overall the literacy among the male and the female went high in comparison to the pre-independence day or just immediate after independence. But if you go into a meticulous detail, you will still be finding what? You are still been finding that the literacy rate among the male is higher than that of the female. It is, which is around 85% among the male and which is 65 to 70%. So there is still a yawning gap between the literacy rate of male and female. Even after that, the right to education you have, that everybody has been understanding the importance of education in the present life, and we had studied in the past also. These are all somewhere the mindset which is also been reflected over here. The mindset that we had studied, that if a parent has a boy and a girl, okay, and if a parent can afford only to send one to the school or give a qualitative food or diet, poverty as a challenge was the chapter in standard 9 where this example was given. Chances are that the parent is likely to be taking and sending the boy to the school instead of the daughter, and even after the fact that the girls have been performing better than the boys. The results in almost every field has been today giving the same sort of a trend. So overall, the main idea behind all this lecture is that even today, we as the parent of a daughter is been feeling somewhere an added responsibility, I repeat, is if not as a burden. But in those days, for a person who is been giving a value to the superiority, who has been always been thinking about that whatever may come, I am not going to bow my head before anybody. But because of the daughter, you need to pray and pawn before the groom family or before the family of the boy or anybody for that matter. So that is why these fathers were also been feeling on the receiving end. Here was the situation. So this father, you will be seeing here in the story, this father, Mr. Chubuko, in any case was also not in a good terms with Mr. Lomov. That superiority. He was also superior, thinking himself superior, he was also thinking himself superior. But Natalia was liking Lomov and vice versa. Okay. So one day he thought of going to Chubuko's to Chubuko, means the father of Natalia, to ask for her hand for his life. Okay, means he wanted to marry Natalia. He needs to propose that, and proposing just because make it a dramatic. This is a literature you would have seen in many films also. Okay, in many drama also, that it is not an easy task. If a boy going to the girl's house and proposing before the father of the girl, it requires courage, it requires many things, the polishedness, confidence, and even you are all loaded with all these virtues and qualities. It is not an easy task if we are being somewhere. Just put yourself into a situation, boys in particular, but don't try, I would suggest. So that is what here was also the case. And if anybody is somewhere having a pulsating disease, at the stroke of anything, that over excitement you may faint and become senseless. In the case of that, any sort of a nervousness also you would be. That is also the fun. That is why I'm trying to add the fun, because in a funny way, this is carrying some message. So he went well dressed up, well groomed. It is quite obvious. जैसा तैसा ऐसे तो नहीं जाएंगे, ऐसा आएगा भी नहीं तो ऐसे पहला ही रिजेक्शन हो जाएगा, जाओ भागो. So well dressed up. अब तुम बहुत तैयार होकर के आए स्कूल, ठीक है, या उनके घर गए तो पहला ठीक है भाई, लोग पूछेगा कि कोई बात है, क्या बात है, तैयार है, कहीं पार्टी वार्टी में जा रहा है क्या ये. लेकिन अगर कोई पूछता है कि तुम पूरा तैयार होकर के आए हो, कहीं मेरे से पैसा वैसा मांगोगे क्या. सो दिस इज व्हाट समवेयर पूछने वाला इज ऑल्सो फन, बट देन पूछने वाला इज ऑल्सो समवेयर लोडेड विथ कि दिस पर्सन इवन इफ वेल ड्रेस्ड, वेल ग्रूम्ड अप, but then he has a habit of coming and talking to me whenever he needs some sort of money. Okay, both of them were neighbors. Both of them, they were not missing any opportunity to attack on each other. Attack is not a physical fight, but whenever, in order to launch their superiority over others, they were not missing that opportunity. आया लोमो आया चुबुको के यहाँ, बताया ऐसा ही कि okay, you have been very much well dressed also today, so let me tell you, I'm not going to give you any money. Please don't expect our money from me. Well, no, I'm not today here for having any money. Okay, बातचीत चला. अब दोनों एक दूसरे पर अपना, he is also been talking about why should I be asking for the money. I'm coming from the family of a landlord. I've already given the money to your ancestors. Now you see the main purpose. You came here to propose the daughter of that person, and you have been showing your superiority. Mr. Lomov has also been talking in terms of that. Why should I borrow the money from you? Instead, I have lended money to your ancestors. Our relatives, our forefathers have always been given some sort of a thing as a charity and donation to you. So why we were the donators at one point of time. So why should be I asking the money from you? ऐसा होगा कि तुम जा करके अब गया और टू बी फादर इन लॉ से भिड़ गया कि मेरे पास अपने बहुत पैसा है, क्यों जा करके आपसे मांगे. सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. और टू बी फादर इन लॉ, तुम मेरे पास भीख मांगने आया, नहीं तो इतना तैयार होकर के आया, गेट आउट. ओके, सो तैयार एकदम मान करके, एंड इन दैट केस बोथ ऑफ देम वेयर द नेबर्स. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ऑफ कोर्स द फन, but hidden under the fun is the message that both of them wanted to show their superiority over others and rather also wanted to impose their superiority over others. चलो बातचीत चला, बात आगे बढ़ी. Second factor that I have told, even if, so to starting statement says that both of them were not in good terms with each other. Still both of them were tolerating each other. The reason is one is in need of this one, another is in need of this one, because somewhere down the earth, both of them have been understanding that this Lomov is the most stable bachelor coming from a rich family. When your richness is up against me, then I will try to let you down. But if somewhere in my heart, I am also realizing that you are coming from an affluent family. Affluent means rich, A-double-F. Affluent family. So this one was also an affluent person. This one was also coming from an affluent family. Both of them were the neighbors also. These boys and the girls were liking each other. They were knowing each other. This could be the best match. Okay, there is so far their standard of status is concerned. So far knowing each other is concerned. So far neighbors were there. So there were no objection in accepting the proposal. But he is not accepting the proposal. Okay, when he proposed that after a fairly a length of conversation, and the topic of conversation was not anything logical and purposed. The topic of conversation between this Lomov and Chubuko was only to show their richness and try to dominate their superiority over others. Okay, but ultimately, eventually, Mr. Lomov had thrown his card for the purpose that he came here for, and he came here for proposing that he wanted to marry Natalia. He eventually told that he wanted to marry Natalia. That is why he is here today. Father became readily Why readily agree? That I have already told. Because fathers of the Middle Ages were always been thinking burdensome in order to have the daughter. At some point of time, he has to literally beg. This begging is emotionally begging. Okay, that please take care of my daughter. I want to marry my daughter with your son, etc. So this is a sort of what is coming at your doorstep, requesting and founding with you everything. And this is being a person coming from a very affluent family, the landlord family. Even one landlord going to the another landlord, but who will dominate in the situation if a landlord is the father of a daughter and another landlord is the father of a boy. Okay? So of course the daughter's father will have to feel somewhere down for the sake of the daughter. So this is what here always been considered as a burden. I'm not talking about the common poor family, because they have to manage many resources. So that is why in those days they were been feeling as a burden. Okay, I'm purposely using the word burden. That was a reality. Today may be a challenge. Today is not a burden, but everybody has been feeling a little bit discomfort and troublesome. Okay, in order to find us, even if the person has been belonging to a very rich family, everybody wants that their sons, their offsprings must be going into the family, the daughter must be going into the family which might be superior than the family of oneself. Okay, mere se behtar ghar mein jaye. That is also the match is also somewhere a challenging situation. So overall he readily agree. तैयार हो गया? बोला हम आते हैं अपनी बेटी को भेजते हैं उसको, तो सो यू जस्ट वेट हियर. वेट कर रहा है ड्राइंग रूम में. ही वेंट वेरी हैप्पीली to Natalia to send her to meet Lomov, but did not disclose why Lomov came here for. Okay, उसको introduce किया कि he came here as a customer of his. Okay, so you go and take good care of him. हम आते हैं पीछे से, तुम चलो. Natalia went there and she was also a well-groomed, well-mannered girl. So she took very good care of Lomov, for the reason not that she was knowing her or wanting her or liking her, him, not her, him, but simply because her father told her to take good care of this person sitting over there as a customer of his or as a client of his, Miss Chubukov. Okay? By the way, but then Lomov, meanwhile, wanted to show his superiority once again. इसको बोलने का बहुत आदत था, जाहिर है कुछ ना कुछ. अब आया, देखा, ठीक है, मन में सोचा कि ठीक है ये देखने में बहुत तो अच्छी नहीं है, लेकिन बुरी भी नहीं है. ठीक है, उम्र भी ठीक है, मेरा भी 30-35 साल हो ही गया है. दिस इज ऑल गिवन देयर इन दैट वन. सो जानते भी हम एक दूसरे को हैं, थोड़ा हम बीमार भी रहते हैं. बस ही वांटेड, इफ यू वांट टू हैव अ कॉम्प्रोमाइज विद समबडी, ठीक है, if you want to have a friendship with somebody, you would be ignoring many demerits. But if you want to break that relationship, if you want to have the enmity, even the merits will be kept aside and looking for the demerits. And both the things are being present in a person. So, ignoring everything, ठीक है यार, उतनी सुंदर सी is not outstanding beauty, जैसा कि नेकलेस में कौन थी? कौन थी? हम ऐसा थोड़ी है कि मटिल्डा के बाद क्या ऐसा बोलो, ये सब लिखना है अभी 2-3 महीना तक याद रखो, फिर भूल जाना. मटिल्डा को, नतालिया को, सबको भूल जाना, संदीप सर को ही भूल जाना, लेकिन 2-3 महीना तो याद रखो. ओके, नाउ सो दिस इज नाउ ही स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग इनटू हिमसेल्फ. अब फिर बातचीत करने के दौरान हाउ यू वुड बी स्टार्टिंग हिज ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट, तो अब बताना शुरू किया. हम लोग के पास ये जमीन था, वो जो बगल वाला दैट इज बर्चवुड, वो जो जंगल वाला के बगल में जमीन था, वो हम लोग का था, जो मेरी नानी ने तुम्हारी दादी को दे दिया, इस टाइप का. तो अब उसको भी उधर से तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो, बिकॉज आई हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम माय फादर दैट दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंड एडजेसेंट टू दैट बर्चवुड ट्री और द फॉरेस्ट was actually belonging to our family, so they have donated it to your family. अब इसी पे दोनों झगड़ा करना शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है. अब दोनों झगड़ा करना शुरू कर दिया, तो व्हाट इज द अनदर थिंग, अब फॉल्स, बिकॉज आई बिलोंग टू अ लैंडलॉर्ड फैमिली एंड देयर वर प्लेंटी ऑफ द लैंड विच इज नाउ बीन गिवन टू यू वाज एक्चुअली बीन डोनेटेड बाय माय फैमिली इन द पास्ट, माय एंसेस्टर्स इन द पास्ट। तो ऐसा अपने को क्लेम मत करो कि तुम बहुत रईस हो बहुत, और तुम्हारे पास जो रईस है वो हम ही लोग का उधार में दिया हुआ है, एंड वैसे वर्षा तुम भी वही चीज बोल रहे हो। सो देन because Natalia was not knowing, he came for what purpose, and he was also, you see once again that superiority clashed against each other. Okay, अब ये लोग झगड़ा करना शुरू कर दिया। फादर का रोल क्या होना चाहिए, बिकॉज फादर वॉज रेडी टू मैरी द डॉटर विद द पर्सन। फादर केम हियर एंड फादर ऑल्सो ज्वाइन द साइड ऑफ द डॉटर। ठीक तो बोल रहा है तुमको। उसके बाद पूरा का एकदम कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू हो गया। अब ऑलमोस्ट एक तरह से इसको भगाने के लिए, अभी बेचारा एक बार गिर गया, उठ गया, बेहोश हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया, पानी छीटा नहीं उठा तो भी दफा मर गया, क्या छोड़ दिया इसको। ओके, दिस इज ऑल हैपन, इसको भगाओ ये वो करके। तो फर्स्ट टाइम में उसको यहाँ से भेज दिया कि गो गेट आउट ऑफ हियर। अब क्यों? क्योंकि बिकॉज अब फादर वॉज एग्री, but because on the point of that sort of a superiority कि फादर लोमो वर्सेस नतालिया में जो लैंड को लेकर के, पोसेशन ऑफ लैंड को लेकर के जो डिस्प्यूट हुआ, सो फादर ज्वाइन द साइड ऑफ द डॉटर इंस्टीड ऑफ पैसिफाइंग द सिचुएशन। व्हाट हैपेंड? ही रादर एग्रेवेटेड द सिचुएशन एंड द थिंग्स वेंट आउट ऑफ द कंट्रोल। चला जाने लगा वो, ठीक है। तब बताया, बातचीत में बताते हैं that poor fellow did that, but then he was overall a good one and actually he came here to propose you and to marry you। अभी रोने लगी, ठीक है। जैसे इसको पता चला कि तो मेरे से शादी करने के लिए आया था, ये तो बताया ही नहीं था उसको। अब फिर वो पूरा का, एंड दैट इज वंस अगेन दैट फादर। अब ये फादर भी अभी साइड लिया, किसी को तुम मार करके भगा दिए, अब फिर तुम उसको हाथ पैर धो करके बुला रहे हो कि चलो यार प्लीज कम एंड मैरी, ठीक है। So that is once again, so ये फ्लक्चुएशंस बार बार दिखाया गया इसमें। फिर ये आया, अब इसको जो बेचारा को ये ओवर एक्साइटेड होता तो बेहोश हो जाता था, खुश होता था तो बेहोश हो जाता था, नर्वस होता था तो इसको बेहोश हो जाता था बेचारा। चलो ठीक है, फिर वंस अगेन ही गेम थिंग्स स्टार्टेड सेटल डाउन। अब सेटल डाउन हो गया कि भाई ठीक है, वी वांट टू मैरी दिस दैट। बात करते 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 अभी दोनों का कुत्ता पर बात। ओके, नाउ स्क्वीजर बोथ मिस लोमो एंड नतालिया, यहीं पर आकर के स्टोरी अब खत्म होगा। और दैट इज वंस अगेन ऑन द पन। ओके, PUN इज आल्सो द पंच लाइन इन द फन इज पन। ओके, सो शी टोल्ड दैट माय डॉग इज बेटर देन योर्स। अभी बोला यार ज्यादा पैसा में हम करते हैं तो तुम्हारा कैसे, तुम्हारा ये। सो बोथ ऑफ देम स्टार्टेड फाइटिंग अगेंस्ट ईच अदर। My squeezer is better, he is far better than this, that. ये वो जो दोनों का conversation is there in the book in the detail. Okay, so अब दोनों इस दोनों फिर लड़ने लगा ये लोग। Even after the fact that you see the purpose, main purpose, everybody agreed, जाने लगा तो रोने लगा, बुलाया तो लड़ने लगा फिर, ठीक है। तो this is once again on the topic, and this is why once again that superiority complex has been reflected, that squeezer is better than that of the guest, he is telling that the guest is better than squeezer। और फिर इसमें वही बात होने लगा, फिर इसको धकेल दी तो चेयर पे गिरा फिर अब फिर पानी वाने ला करके छीटा उठा गया, लेकिन इसको थोड़ा सा सोचा ये लोग मर गया, वो आँख ही नहीं खोला। अब इसको किसी तरह से डिसलॉस करो, लेकिन इस बीच में फिर उसको होश आया तो ठीक है। फिर देन द फादर एंटर्ड, मैटर को वहीं पर स्पेसिफाई किया, लेकिन इसकी लड़ाई जारी रखी। फादर ने थोड़ा देर के लिए शांत किया और इसके ही वाज रेडी टू मैरी हिज डॉटर विद Lomo। Okay, so this is what here the entire story has been revolving is of fun. The proposal finally was been accepted, but during the course of this acceptance and rejection, there were many ups and downs and the ripples where both the parties were trying to show their superiority over others. Sometimes on the matter of the land and possession, another time the matter of the dog. Means everything belonging to me is better than yours. You are on the receiving end, and this is what the clashes were there, that none of the people on the superior side in the Middle Ages were going to compromise, no matter how much is the matter serious or sincere. Okay, this is what the, अब एक आप दो तो लिख लो फिल्म और जो important जितना whatever I repeat once again, you must make a fair of all these things, and while going into the examination, definitely go a cursory look on it. I am cocksure, that is confident, not overconfident. Cocksure is another word for confident. Okay, and past experiences also show 60 to 70%. I'm not the setter, so I cannot say 100%. That will be an exaggeration. But 60 to 70% of the questions that are likely to be asked in the examination will be completely no. Okay. बाकी फिर बीच में पता ही है उसको लिख सकते हैं. Literature side is over. Then writing grammar this time is the fun. Simply because many of things have been deleted also. And writing an article, this sort of thing is a matter of practice. देखो तुम लोग को कुछ सेलेक्ट करके लिखाए थे ना, दोनों इसी से लिखा दो क्योंकि वही तो सेलेक्ट किए थे. Yes, neighbors must have a cordial relationship. Neighbors, don't talk. Neighbors must have a cordial relationship which Lomov and Natalia do not have. Describe the fight between them. Describe the fight between them. First sentence, copy that because the statement sentence. Neighbor must have cordial relationship. Neighbors must have cordial relationship which Lomov and Natalia, do not have. Full stop. Although wherever the name should come, by default you underline it. Hostess, you can read out something because I have already given you this chapter. Although he had come there to propose Natalia, he started, after Natalia, he started fighting with her. He started fighting with her over a small piece of land. Over a small piece of land. Full stop. This land adjoining from the next day ना तुम लोग आएगा खाली तो उसको कम से कम ठीक से नहीं सही लगता देखने में. जब कोई नहीं रहे तो जब कोई नहीं रहता था तो हम भी हवाई चप्पल पहन के ऐसे ही जैसे तैसे आते थे ना. जब सब आया तो ठीक से आया. He started fighting with her. Over a small, sorry.
This land.
Yes, thank you. This land adjoining her land. Yes, these were the two places that I was talking about. One was Oxen Meadow. Yes. And another was Virtue. But is the name of a tree. And his Oxen Meadows touched her virtues. Full stop. Natalia told Lomov that Oxen Meadows belonged to her, that Oxen Meadows belonged to her, comma, but Lomov claimed that the Oxen Meadows are his. But Lomov claimed that the Oxen Meadows are his. Full stop. Lomov tried to convince Natalia. Lomov tried to convince Natalia by telling her that his grandaunts gave the Meadows aunt gave the Meadows for temporary and free use to Chubukov's, Chubukov apostrophe S, to Chubukov's grandfather's peasants.
Grandfather?
Peasants. They did not demand money for long time. They did not demand money for it for a long time, comma. So Chubukov misunderstood that the Meadows belonged to them. That the Meadows belonged to them. Full stop. While Chubukov insisted that shouting could prove nothing, because everyone knows that Meadows belong to Chubukov, since last 300 years. However, both continued to threaten each other. Each other.